Well, we've been talking a lot lately about our estates and in particular, the executor slash estate trustee when you're talking Ontario. We've talked about dying with a will and without a will. But we're not going to get off the topic of estate planning quite yet because there's still some things to clarify and bring to your attention, such as what happens to your digital online presence. I had a client recently, it's already been 2 years and it's not settled yet. The spouse had an online account that was not part of the will as far as getting access. And everybody, it seems nowadays, has an online presence. And that would include your online bank accounts and investment accounts. And in this case, my client had an investment account he didn't tell his wife about. That money is still in limbo. No passwords, no access, nothing. So that's still being dealt with. How about things like the email and any of your other social accounts like Facebook and LinkedIn or wherever somebody is online? What about crypto wallets? This is becoming very popular and common. How about cloud storage? Loyalty points. You know, with credit cards and air miles and different, I'll say, companies having their loyalty points, that could be sizable. But does it just go poof and it's gone? Because that was not addressed anywhere. So if you have it and you're making your will, make sure that you've got a list of all of your social media presence or online presence, all of your passwords, all of your accounts, all of them with everything you need to pass on to somebody else so that they can access your accounts after you're gone. You might want to find out if some of these online presence actually will allow you to have, I'm going to say, somebody set up in the background so that if something happened to you, they have access right away. Otherwise, you have to make this list very secure. Do not put it in your will, but maybe in a safety deposit box, and let the person who's going to be having, I'll say, to close off these accounts or to get the loyalty points or whatever, because it could be the executor, it could be somebody else, make sure that they have access to that. See, it's not as simple as people think. And in this day and age, it's becoming more and more and more complex. But tune in to the next one, because there's a difference between a power of attorney and a will, and not everybody gets it. I'm Linda Levesque of Levesque Wealth Planning of IA Private Wealth, saying you asked, we answered. Until next time.